I'm looking for an insert. Guys, we get that question a lot, and we're gonna dig into that today. What does it mean? How does that apply? We're gonna be talking about inserts versus zero clearance fireplaces. Let's get into it. Hey guys, it's Sam with Quality Stoves and Spas. I'm over here in our gas insert section, and it is an awesome display. I'm super excited to talk about it with you. We're gonna be digging into what an insert is versus zero clearance and how each of those are going to apply. So how and when do these apply? If you have this, a traditional masonry fireplace, they're really cool, they're open, they're classic, right? But they're not gonna be an efficient home heater. When you put an insert like this, which are gas, you can do pellet as well, or wood, what you're doing is you're taking that traditional fireplace and you're transforming it into an effective home heater by retrofitting your current space. So this is the specific application for inserts. So when you're talking new construction, you're talking remodel where you're adding a fireplace that never was existing previously, you're not looking for an insert, you're actually looking for zero clearance. And we're gonna go look at some options of that as well. A little quick tip for you guys as well. If you're going into a hearth store or our store here in North Idaho, pictures are awesome. So if you're not sure if you have zero clearance or an insert, here's a couple quick little key features that sometimes apply, not always. There's little differences here and there depending on who and what did your job. That being said, let's get into it. One of the biggest tells for an insert is the panel. What this purpose is if you're sliding this insert into an existing masonry fireplace, the unit itself, the actual firebox, may not always fit exactly. So what that panel allows you to do is flush up the finished look of the product and make a clean, finished look overall. So that panel is gonna be a really quick indicator on what is an insert versus what is zero clearance. So that's our gas inserts. Let's go take a quick peek at our wood insert section. All right guys, we're over here with our wood burning and pellet section. So if you're trying to keep that wood burning feel in your home, but also trying to increase the efficiency of your home heating, this is a great way to do it. We carry Lopi, we carry Blaze King, we carry Kuma. And they have, Travis Industries has their Lopi AGP, so if you like pellet, that's a way to retrofit a pellet insert into your home as well. Unfortunately, as we go over to zero clearance, there's no pellet zero clearance option, but there is wood and gas. So let's get over and get into that. So we're over here with zero clearance. Let's break that down. For us as a company, we do everything start to finish, one-stop shop for framing, everything. And we do a lot of retrofitting. We also do a lot of new construction installation. It's really cool with zero clearance because you can fine-tune that. What zero clearance is this is gonna be a framed-in box for the fireplace itself. So you're gonna have 2x4s, depending on the fireplace and clearance, right up to the edge. So I briefly touched on it. We have some before and afters. Caleb, could you pop something up here to give us an example of it? We actually have a pretty in-depth section on our website for before and afters as well. One of my favorite personal things to sell is to have somebody come in and show me existing zero clearance fireplace that's not as efficient as it was 20 years ago. And we get to work through that together, pick out new options, and replace that unit. It's a nice refresher to your home. So the cool thing about zero clearance being more intentional is that you can finish it typically a little bit cleaner than you would like an insert, right? Because you don't have the panel. It is a purpose-driven, purpose-built setup. So you can do tile, you can do rock work. As long as you're doing non-combustibles with appropriate clearances, there's a lot of ways to finish your fireplace. So over here, we have another clean face unit here, and you're seeing a little bit more exposed metal here. We actually wanted to showcase that you can finish all the way up to the window of the fireplace itself. So you can keep it minimal if you'd like, and we can show you another example around the corner here of kind of what that looks like. You just wanna make sure that when you are finishing your fireplace, you're looking at the proper materials and proper clearances to do so. So another really cool thing about zero clearance fireplaces is you can customize that space. Whether you have a more intimate setting with a library or a bedroom, you want something small and clean in there, you can absolutely do it with a zero clearance. If you have anything weird or out of the ordinary, guys, stop, call a professional. And if you're in the North Idaho or Eastern Washington area, come on down to our showroom. We'd love to say hi to you, talk things through with you, and get a free cup of coffee with you. As always, if you've liked our video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell. We'll see you next time.